तेरी मेरी लव स्टोरी में ने ट्रेंगल છે આ દેખ पापा मम्मी અને मैं
हमारा बच्चा है वो।
पैदा तो मैंने किया ने। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, सेटल डाउन प्लीज, सेटल डाउन। बच्चा पैदा करना बड़ा काम है, हर एक से नहीं होता। मैं हूँ इंडिया की फर्स्ट चाइल्ड मशीन, नो इमोशन, ओनली प्रोफेशन।
आप बच्चों की दुकान चलाते हो, उम्मीदों की दुकान जसरिन।
अरे करंट लग जाएगा।
करंट तो करंट लगता है क्या?
कल आ जा, जोड़े से मिलवाती हूँ।
पागल हो गई है, किसी और का बच्चा पैदा करेगी। वो तो टेंशन ही न थी, 3 मिनट में ले जाएंगे। पैदा किया अने दिया। वी कॉल इट तीर निशाने पे।
हाँ, मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ।
वो भाग गई।
जब लगाव ज्यादा होता है ना तो घाव भी ज्यादा होता है।
मोहन लागे
जब उसके पेट में था तो बेबी आपका कैसे?
सरोगेसी करवाई थी ना सर।
मोहन लागे मोहन तो से ऐसी कोई सूरत कर दे।
कभी कभी ने मिट्टी जड़ को पकड़ ली थी।
यार शमसे मखमल कर दे या पत्थर की मूरत।
आईना कैसे देखती है तू? सूरमा लगा के।
हम अपना बच्चा बेच नहीं रहे।
खरीदा था तो बेच भी सकते हो ने। अभी सुनी का आपने मेरी कहानी। आओ जो।
क्या करिए क्या करिए? क्या हुआ?
बधाई हो बेन।
अबे क्या बधाई हो?
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, you're watching the Monty Khan Show. All our viewers across North America are very beautiful today. I'm at the premiere of Dukaan, and what better start could I get talking with our very own Himani Shivpuri, ma'am. How are you doing, ma'am? How excited are you? A very beautiful day, a very beautiful project. What are your thoughts?
It's fantastic, and hi, all of you over there. It's really
everybody in the US.
Everybody in the US. Beautiful hi to you. A very, I don't know what time it is here. It's a lovely evening.
Lovely evening.
So,
and our show comes in the evening.
Okay, great.
So this is pre-recorded, so they're
Yeah,
going to enjoy it once we edit it.
Yeah.
But what are your feelings? What are your thoughts?
I'm
Surrogacy
really
is such a
excited because this whole concept is very new in India, at least. That here there is, and it's actually based on real incidents. Because there's a village in Gujarat where there are lots of disparities in our country. There are poor, there are rich people.
Correct.
So the poor people have adopted this unique formula of making money, is that they are selling their wombs. So it's amazing. So my daughter is also one of them, and it's a whole village almost which is involved in this. And what happens sometimes, obviously, when you're carrying a baby in your womb, I don't want to reveal the whole story.
You don't want to give out all the
So
all
you
the
must
fun
see.
stuff, but we have
So
to.
it is
we have
about
to watch
attachment, what a mother feels. Even if it isn't a love child, there's an attachment to it. So what happens then? And how she runs away and the police are chasing her. They come to me and I explain things in a roundabout way. So it's a very unique concept. And,
Very unique
and
concept.
the actress who's playing the lead role,
Monica,
she's an amazing actress. She's from National School of Drama and also from my institute, because then I got trained over there. And there's Sikandar Kher in it.
There you go, Sikandar Kher. But the most important thing, which a lot of people don't know about, is that we have a duo director.
Yes.
Gautam, I'm sorry if I'm getting the name.
No, you
There you
better
go.
read it.
You better read it. There you go. Written and directed by Siddharth and Garima. Siddharth and Garima, this is the first time that they are working together. They used to write before.
They used
what
to
was
write.
your experience with them?
They used to write before, and they even, I believe, choreographed some of Sanjay Leela Bansali's films.
Correct.
So my experience was wonderful. When they came along with the script, I was totally blown away. And you know, Garima and Siddharth, both of them had a very clear, it's not like anybody who's directing it for the first time. And we went to the actual locations, which was so difficult, I can't tell you. In my shot, I had to climb up these narrow, because we were shooting at actual locations.
You actually went to Gujarat or
Gujarat,
Rajasthan? Or,
yes,
okay,
Gujarat, in that
okay,
village in Gujarat, and there's this narrow staircase with huge, and you know, I always used to sort of pant
When you were climbing,
when I climbed
exactly, because it's not
to the
easy.
place which was my house, because the steps were very steep. It's not like you have this normal. So I mean, and it was really amazing. I mean, in terms of language, Garima knew the language because she's a Gujarati.
She must have
So
picked it up also.
Yes, she's a Gujarati. So she explained the whole language and all, and I used to learn. Even when I was dubbing for it, I asked her that you must help me. So it was amazing working. It was beautiful, and I hope you all love the film as we loved working in it.
You know, you're so humble, and humility speaks through your voice. I mean, you have entertained us through decades, you know, ma'am. You have movies which you've worked with legends, you know. So how is it working? What have you learned, or what have you thought? You know, only two things happen in a project. Either you learn something, or either you teach something. So what have you taught Monica and the team, and what have you learned from them being humble?
Well, their dedication to the craft, because you see, we become, as you're saying, we tend to become a little jaded, but when we come across these young actors, young directors, young blood, you know, they just sort of, their energy rubs off on you, and you also feel inspired to give an amazing performance. So many learning points, the way they get into the character, amazing. And we learnt a lot, at least I learnt a lot, and it was really amazing.
Well,
shooting in those extreme conditions, it was so
Garmi.
hot, it was
Must
so
be very hot, yeah.
It was terrible. I mean, we used to just sweat, and we had to do very difficult scenes. So, but it was an amazing experience.
I think with the looks of it, you know, we did have a movie which was very similar to Surrogacy by Kriti Sanon, but this is a completely different project. This is very different because a lot of times people will try to relate to it. Arey yaar, ek Surrogacy pe to film aayi thi, Kriti ki film thi, humne dekhi, abhi kya dekhna. But guys, you know, with Himani ma'am, she's not just watching for this film because she's a part of the film. I think she watches for good talent. You know, coming from National School of Drama, which is one of the epitome, you know, like Tisch we have in the US, or, you know, NYU, you know, it's one of the biggest institutes in India, and she's hailing from that institute. So basically, guys, you have to watch out for Dukaan. Ma'am, any words, because I know the screening is starting, would you like to tell your audience before you go?
Yes, continue to give us your love, because that's what we artists appreciate, and it's been wonderful, the kind of love I've got from the audience, not only of India but America, London, wherever I go. It is a warm welcome because everybody is watching our TV shows, our films, and some have seen me in theatre also, but theatre has got a limited reach. But the amount of love
you have received from people even in the US.
Yes,
like
US.
Our lovely Indian community. Not even the Indian community, the entire South Asian diaspora, Pakistani, Bangladeshis, all are people who love us.
Love, I'm deeply humbled, and that's what eggs me on to carry on to perform my best.
Carry on to your legacy, ma'am. Always, we enjoy the movie. And you know, guys, and I know you must be aware of the fact that commercial surrogacy has been banned in India in 2021. So I'm sure you must be proud of that. At least we did something. So this cannot happen in real life, but they have brought it to real life for you to watch as what has happened in India, you know, in regards to surrogacy.
Yeah.
I think this is the best interview she's ever had. All right, guys, keep watching the Monty Khan Show. All right, ladies and gentlemen, all the viewers of America who are watching us on ITV, I'm with the man who makes you laugh. I'm with the man who even makes you smile and makes you cry. The one and only, the very talented Vivek Oberoi, who's been making you laugh since Musty days. Well, I don't want to talk about Musty because I know Musty 4 is in the pipeline. All right, guys. So Vivek, how excited are you, buddy? We're talking about a very delicate subject here, surrogacy. So what expectations are you, walking in with the movie theater? Well, I know the film is fabulous. I've seen it.
Oh, you've seen it
I've
already?
seen it.
Spill the beans, brother.
I've seen it. It's a really, really well made film. I think it deals with great sensitivity about a subject that's extremely emotional, especially for women.
Correct.
I think it's very well made. If you look at the aesthetics, if you look at the colors, despite making it on live location, it's kind of easier to do it on a much bigger budget, in sets and a controlled atmosphere. When you're going to a live location for authenticity, कि जगह की खुशबू आपको महसूस हो, that's kind of difficult to achieve. So it's a very well made film. Siddharth and Garima come from, really, really good school of cinema. Their biggest influence has been the legendary Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and they've written so many films for them. And I think that they've brought their best to their debut. Wave Band is an exceptional production house. Not many times do you find somebody who is willing to put in, stand in behind such a unconventional subject, 5 years of research. And at the same time, what I loved about it is entertaining. So it's not like kind of preachy and boring.
It's not a documentary.
It's not a documentary.
Correct.
It's informational, yes. It's scientific, well-researched, accurate, but it's also emotional, and it's entertaining, it's fun. And that's why you have, really talented people like Vanga, for example, reaching out and saying...
He came down for the trailer launch, I was
and
there.
he was like, this is really cool. And I think surrogacy is something that, especially on the Indian side, not many people know about.
Yes, correct. They don't.
And especially for our friends in America who are watching this, it'd be a very interesting insight, especially into the human element and the emotional element of it.
No, that's, very well said, because, I've come across very few actors who are so well-read and well-educated like yourself, Vivek. It's great talking to you, because, the reciprocation is great. So in 2021, commercial surrogacy was banned in India. A lot of people don't know that.
Yeah.
And this is an element which was shot prior to 2021.
Sure.
So, we have achieved something, but let me ask you something. You belong to the film fraternity. You've seen movies come out. You've seen movies being successful. You've seen movies flopping. The biggest challenge is that there is no big face. There's no A-League. There's no A-lister. We have a new girl called Monica, who's from NSD. How challenging would it be to bring the audience into movie theaters?
Look, I think there's two elements to it, right? When you're making a very expensive film, it's a very big gamble.
Like a Jawan or Pathan.
It's a very big gamble, right? And there's no guarantee that even with star faces, a film's going to take a phenomenal, rake in at the box office. At the end of the day, a film is an emotional experience. So you could have a small film like 12th Fail, which just connects with the hearts of people, and you could love it. Whether you have big faces associated with it or not. I remember when I was coming out with Satya, it was a small film, it was a small effort. I mean, this film still got 350 screens. We got some 150 screens.
Correct.
But then it kept growing because
And
the
you were
people
the new
connected.
guy.
And
You were the new guy in that.
so people connected. There was a lot of love that we received. I hope that Dukaan gets the same love. I know that it will get a lot of respect because it's really well made and it deals sensitively with a very emotional issue. So I think that is going to be a plus with the critics, especially for people who want to watch a nice, wholesome, sensitive film. This is it. There's a lot of people who don't want to see the typical maar dhaad, masala and all of that.
It's what your palate wants you.
So I think there's a market for it, and God willing, at the end of the day, you do your best, and then all you can do on a Friday is pray.
It's pray, man, absolutely. Just the way that people pray in the US that when is Vivek coming. So Vivek will be coming to the US and gracing us with his presence. There's a lot of good stuff happening, but how do you keep yourself fit and so good looking, man? I'm like standing next to this guy. Look at his hair, look at the skin, man. You're blessed. Maybe it's genes.
Yeah, I think I can thank my parents for it.
But last question before you go. Is surrogacy a taboo, or should we take it as a boon to humanity?
Look, I think surrogacy for people in absolute need of getting that emotion, that feeling of having their baby when they're not able to carry their own, it's a big boon, right? It's added so much love and so much joy to the lives of so many people. But at the same time, unfortunately, it's human nature to exploit.
Correct.
And I think
That's
that,
what this movie is about.
yes, I think that there's a lot of exploitation in the name of surrogacy at the back end. It's just like saying, when you're doing manufacturing and somebody's paying sweatshops, child labor. So it's the same thing. So that's something that you need to bring in. So I think a more controlled, regulated transparent system of surrogacy is something that I would recommend.
Very well said, guys. If I had the crown in my hands, I would give him the Mr. Universe crown because you've spoken so well. Well, Vivek, at least I could bring a smile back to your faces. And all your audiences, that's Vivek Oberoi. Gonna watch. I won't keep him waiting because we are here at the premiere. Let him go and enjoy the movie. Well spoken, sir. And I hope to see you in the US very soon.
Very kind.
Thank you, Vivek. Hi folks, you're watching your favorite show, The Monty Khan Show, on your favorite network, ITV Gold, across the entire America. And today, I'm very honored and I'm feeling very proud because I'm standing next to my friend who's actually become a producer with his first film called Veer Savarkar. Let's put our hands together and let's welcome Yogesh. Yogesh, bhai, first of all, many congratulations on doing such a wonderful project with Randeep Hooda. It's phenomenal. You know, I do want to talk about it. Maybe we'll have a special interview with Yogesh. But today, we're only going to be talking about Dukaan. You know, we're talking about Wave Band Productions. Tell me something. क्या लगता है आपको? What is your take? What is your thought on Dukaan? ये मूवी चलेगी नहीं चलेगी? You can be very honest. क्या लगता है आपको इसकी स्टोरी के बारे में? सच बताइए.
देखिए, कॉन्सेप्ट नया है और आर्टिस्ट भी अच्छे हैं जिन्होंने थिएटर में वगैरह में काम किया हुआ है और नई टैलेंट टीम है, नया कॉन्सेप्ट है, तो मुझे लगता है कि मूवी चलेगी. मूवी अपना बजट वगैरह और सारा पूरा करेगी, 100% करेगी कॉन्सेप्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. बिल्कुल इट्स ए न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट.
आपको सरोगेसी के बारे में क्या पता है, क्या जानते हैं?
सरोगेसी आपका एक जो सरोगेसी मदर वाला है,
जो कपल्स जिनको बच्चा नहीं हो सकता,
कपल्स नहीं बच्चा होता है, वो अडॉप्टेड कॉक वगैरह.
सो ये मूवी उसके बारे में बात करती है कि कहाँ पर कैसे इसको एक्सप्लॉइट किया गया. ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है इंडिया में कैसे इस कॉन्सेप्ट को एक्सप्लॉइट किया गया. करेक्ट?
यस, ये डेफिनेटली ये एक नए टॉपिक के बारे में बात कर रही है जो लोगों को अवेयर करा रही है, जिनके बच्चे नहीं होते या जो पेरेंट्स नहीं कर पाते, तो उसके लिए सरोगेसी इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन टू गेट एन ए चाइल्ड.
Now let's talk about Veer Savarkar. Yogesh, how did this project happen here? Such a massive project, working with names like Anand Pandit, Sandeep. You know, these two are, really strong players in the industry, especially Sandeep with so many years of experience, and Anand sir, who's so diversified in construction and now in the film industry. कैसे आप ये प्रोजेक्ट का हिस्सा बने?
प्रोजेक्ट का हिस्सा मैं मिडवे मैंने प्रोजेक्ट को ज्वाइन किया था और प्रोजेक्ट का मेरी डेस्टिनी में ये प्रोजेक्ट था, तो मैं इसका हिस्सा बना और मैं आई एम फीलिंग वेरी लकी कि मेरा जो एज ए प्रोड्यूसर डेब्यू इस मूवी के साथ हो रहा है और काफ़ी अच्छी मूवी बनी है. एक फ्रीडम फाइटर की कहानी को लेके आ रहे हैं, एक नया आपका एक अनसंग हीरो जिसके बारे में बताया नहीं गया था, एक ऑडियंस को बताया जा रहा है, ऑडियंस वो देख रही है और अप्रिशिएट भी काफ़ी कर रही है मूवी की. आप रेटिंग और वो देखोगे, काफ़ी अच्छी मूवी, लोगों का रिस्पांस और प्यार आ रहा है मूवी के लिए.
वेरी गुड एंड आई एम श्योर दैट ये जो मूवी है ये धीरे धीरे वीर सावरकर ग्रो करेगी लोगों के ऊपर, क्योंकि अभी ये जो मूवी है बहुत लोगों तक इतनी पहुंची नहीं है. लेट्स बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट सर. जो नंबर्स हमें दिखाए जा रहे हैं दैट वी मेकिंग 20 crores and 25 crores, दीज आर नंबर्स विच आर स्मॉल, विच आर वेरी यंग नंबर्स. तो मुझे लगता है कि अभी ये थोड़ा सा ग्रो होगा. क्या लगता है आपको?
ये देखिए, ये जो मूवी है, मूवी का अपना एक ऑडियंस है, स्पेसिफिक ऑडियंस है, फ्रीडम फाइटर की भी कहानी है और ये नंबर धीरे धीरे आप जो माउथ पब्लिसिटी इसकी बढ़ रही है, जो भी ऑडियंस आपके थिएटर के अंदर जा रही है वो इसको अप्रिशिएट कर रही है, इसको प्यार कर रही है, इसके बारे में बातें कर रही है. तो देखिए, नंबर्स हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, हमारे हाथ में सिनेमा है जो हमने बना के दे दिया.
अच्छा काम करना है,
अच्छा काम करना है
और एक अच्छे टॉपिक पर और एक अच्छे मुद्दे पर काम करना है जो आपने किया. वीर सावरकर इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट जो बहुत सालों से या बहुत सदियों से छेड़ा नहीं था, उसको आप लोगों ने छेड़ा और एक ऐसी स्टोरी पहुंचाई. एंड लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इवन द डेप्यूटी CM ऑफ महाराष्ट्र केम टू सपोर्ट वीर सावरकर और वेरी ओन मिस्टर फडणवीस. सो ये एक बहुत ऑनर की और ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है सर.
यहाँ स्पेशल उन्होंने अपना टाइम निकाला, इस मूवी को देखा और एक अप्रिशिएट किया और लोगों को मैसेज भी दिया कि जो बच्चे से लेके बड़े तक हर महाराष्ट्र में और पूरे इंडिया में इस कहानी को देखना चाहिए. फडणवीस साहब के अलावा गडकरी साहब ने भी उसको, नितिन गडकरी जी ने भी उसको देखा है, पीयूष गोयल जी भी ने भी ड्यूरिंग आपके इलेक्शन कैंपेन उन्होंने स्पेशल टाइम निकाला और उस मूवी को देखा और अप्रिशिएट किया कि ये कहानी हर इंसान के पास, हर यंग जनरेशन के पास सावरकर जी की कहानी जानी चाहिए.
वेरी गुड, वेरी वेल सेड गाइस. एंड दैट्स माय फ्रेंड योगेश हु इज गोना मेक मच मोर फिल्म्स. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में तो अभी आपने शुरुआत करी, अभी बहुत आप फिल्म्स बनाओगे आगे. इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग जर्नी. वी गोना सी अ लॉट ऑफ फिल्म्स दैट ही इज गोना मेक, बट वी विल लेट यू गो ताकि आप दुकान एंजॉय करें और दुकान देखने के बाद हमें बताना कि आपको कैसी लगी.
नहीं, डेफिनेटली मूवी अच्छी रहेगी.
All right, my brother. Wish you all the very best, ladies and gentlemen. That is Yogesh for you. All right, guys, with the beautiful Lavina, I guess you're a model and an actor. So, Lavina, we're talking about surrogacy, and my interviews are all about asking on the topic of the movie. So, my question to you is surrogacy a blessing or a curse to mankind?
Of course, it's a blessing.
Well, this movie, the movie shows it differently. The movie shows surrogacy being, where women are commercially exploited.
You just gave me a spoiler.
I did? Okay, I'm sorry, man.
I'm so sorry for
I should
that.
have let her go and watch the movie and then spill the beans. But, I know surrogacy is a blessing. It gives people a new reason to live. But what's your take on where it's commercially exploited?
I mean, emotionally exploited, but we cannot be attached to everything in life. As a soul on this planet, everyone's detached. I go by that. However, I feel it's a blessing that people who are unable to conceive can have someone do it for them, and if it benefits someone financially, then why not? And a lot of progressive women are marrying late nowadays, and the
because
biological clock.
The biological clock is ticking, and they know that they have an option.
Yes,
well
so
said.
I feel it's a blessing. I believe it's a blessing. However, of course, if someone carries a kid for 9 months, there will obviously be a little attachment.
Monetary exchange or some kind of attachment that you're trying to justify. Even a director of this movie, Garima, she had different opinions. She's like, it shouldn't have been banned, because there are people who might use it for different ways. Some people might use it for a genuine reason, and some people might use it for their means of livelihood. That's what this movie talks about. Another question, how difficult is it to bring audience to a movie theater where there are no big stars?
I believe nowadays it's the younger generation which is a bigger audience, because India is known for having the largest population of youngsters, and as a youngster myself, I don't need to say that.
I feel like a dinosaur, man. Anyways.
So I feel, we are more interested in the content. What the message is, what is brought, what story, what content is brought to us. And something like Dukaan, I believe, is really required to educate people as well. Because I'm pretty sure that in remote areas, people are not even aware that such kind of things are possible. And if it brings about a message, then why not? I was pretty excited when I saw the posters outside. I said, when you're passing, when you're driving.
Like you've seen all that.
See that, and you read the name Dukaan, and you're like,
what is this?
I have to watch this. This is something I would watch. So I speak for myself, but then I'm sure a lot of people can agree with what I'm saying. Because
well, Lavina, I think you're doing great for yourself. You speak well, you look great, and I wish you all the very best. Any projects that our audience in the US should be aware of, something that you've done or intend to do?
So I'm an ex-Miss India Universe Mumbai 2018, long back.
Oh, 2018, जब मैं पैदा हुआ था. I'm just kidding.
Oh, ouch.
नहीं यार, my sense of humor sucks, man, guys. Anyways.
So I'm up to something. That's why I have a new look. People are used to seeing me with like really long hair and everything. Too early to speak about it. So.
Too early to speak about it. Fingers crossed she's going to do well. Guys, I'll be back with more talent from the movie Dukaan. Stay tuned. This is a wonderful episode on your favorite show, The Monty Khan Show, US. We're bringing you all the great content from Mumbai. Stay tuned.
So Monty, I believe next time it would be, I hope next time it would be something of mine where I would see you again.
See, I told you she's hiding something. मुझे पता था. I'm not smelling Pinocchio, but I know that when somebody lies to me, I can pick it up. So she has a big project in the pipeline, but we'll cover it for ITV and for all the viewers. Stay tuned. You don't want to still say it? Is it a movie, a web series at least?
Too early to speak. A little superstitious.
Chalo, theek hai. Superstitious, yeah. I know a couple of scientists, they died in the US when they found out that India mein chappal ulti rakhne se ladaiyan hoti hai. Well, anyways, that was a joke, a really bad joke. But guys, keep watching the Monty Khan Show. I promise I'll be back with more talented people, not as talented as her, but people who are part of the film. Stay tuned.